Caps de Sonidos Alternos.
Presentarles a Dave Evans. Él es el vocalista original y fundador de la legendaria banda AC/DC, y gracias al esfuerzo de McCarthys pues hemos logrado hacer un tour aquí en México, y bueno, pues muchas gracias por acompañarnos, y les vamos a dejar para que hagan las preguntas que ustedes consideren. Gracias.
It's nice to be back in Mexico. Once again, this is my third time that I've been here, and I've got a fantastic band with me, and I'm so excited to be back. I know you love music, I know you love rock, and it's great to be back. Gracias.
A ver, vamos a empezar por algunas preguntas. Es la tercera vez que viene aquí a México. Ya ha venido por primera vez, estuvo en provincia. Es la primera vez que se presenta en la Ciudad de México. Ajá. Si tienen alguna pregunta, vamos empezando de este lado.
I would like to know how was the selection for the musicians with you in this tour?
This band, well, this is the third time that I've been back, and some of the musicians I've worked with before, and there's a couple of new ones, and this band is as good as any band that I've worked with anywhere in the world. This band is world class. It's as good as any band. It's fantastic.
Is it true that there's a chance that you could return to AC/DC's band?
Well, I don't think so. I don't even know whether AC/DC is going to play again. I don't know about that. You know, it's one of those things. There's a conjecture around the world at the moment whether AC/DC will even play again. But if they do, I don't know who the singer may be. I don't know if Brian would come back, or would they get a brand new singer. I'm not sure. I'm very, very busy around the world. I'm knocking back work at the moment. It's just an amazing time of my career. Gracias, gracias. I want to thank everybody. Gracias to all of you for coming. It's my pleasure too. And I hope that you can come to some of the shows, maybe tonight, and you'll see. You'll have a fantastic time. You'll have a wonderful time, and I will have a wonderful time too. Gracias, gracias.
Gracias por acompañarnos. Una vez más queremos agradecer el esfuerzo, queremos agradecer el esfuerzo de todo el corporativo de McCarthys por hacer este tour posible. Gracias a Dave Evans por acompañarnos. Y bueno, también queremos comentarles que el día de hoy pues el show empieza a las 11 y vamos a tener una banda antes a las 10, que ellos son Cherries, que ojalá tengan la oportunidad también de escucharlos, y también rockean durísimo. Y bueno, muchas gracias a todos. Vamos a tener una pequeña sesión de fotos con Dave en el escenario, y posteriormente pasaremos a las entrevistas que tenemos programadas.
Las Caps de Sonidos Alternos.